Candidate. A person who is competing to get a job or elected position.
Harassment lawsuit if you keep ogling her like that. Yes, and I've got 3 excellent potential candidates. They're lined up and ready to meet you.
I don't have time to meet. I need...
Well, Lex Luthor, presidential candidate and Superman's least favorite bald person.
Proceed. To happen or exist before something or someone.
The preceding program contained scenes of extreme violence and should not have been viewed by young children.
Unless you see a real threat, I never want to know that I have any security. You'll never precede me, you'll always follow me, never more than 15 steps behind. And never...
Adolescent. A young person who is developing into an adult.
I thought we would love each other forever. I remember our teacher telling us that it was an adolescent phase that people outgrew. Sarah did.
But how can I become a ginger now? I wasn't born like this!
Well, the red-haired and freckled gene is a recessive gene. It must have stayed dormant in your system until you hit adolescence.
So I'm gonna stay like this forever?
Coeducational. Having male and female students being taught together.
What are the boys like?
Ow! Cecile, is that all you can think of? You must forgive her, Catherine. She's never been in a coeducational atmosphere before.
I would.
Radical. 1. Complete or extreme. 2. A person who supports great social, economic or political change.
It belonged to a man I met in a half-remembered dream. A man possessed of some radical notions.
We did it!
What? Did what? What are you all doing here? And why was I dreaming of 2 brightly colored and radical young men?
Uncle Stan, you're okay!
Spontaneous. Happening naturally, without planning or encouragement.
Sir, are you all right? I was sitting on this waterbed, minding my own business, when it spontaneously exploded. I demand a week of free rooms, or I'll...
Teleportation, the transport of matter instantaneously through space. Not science fiction anymore.
Skim. 1. To remove something from the surface of a liquid. 2. To read something quickly.
Oh, wait, you read her diary?
Yeah.
What I can stomach.
I just skim it to make sure she's not on drugs.
What does it say?
It says I'm not on drugs.
It's pretty rough. But
once the towel hardens, you can skim off a layer of glycerin.
Vaccinate. To give someone a vaccine, usually by injection.
Every member of Brendan's team, every cop, and everybody in the crowd were vaccinated for their bat bites. Never.
Hi, Miss Bronsky. Did we vaccinate Stan Marsh for the flu last year? We did.
Untidy. Not neat or well arranged.
I found a hair in the drain. Not a fine upstanding head hair, but a curly-whirly.
Untidy! Untidy! Untidy!
Okay, showtime.
Wipe your feet first. I just had the carpets cleaned. Just because we're thieves doesn't mean we need to be untidy.
Utensil. A tool with a particular use.
Keep your hands and arms in, close to the body, like this, see? Always return to this position. Cook smooth fast. Sharp utensils, hard metal, keep your arms in. You will minimize cuts and burns and keep your sleeves clean. Mark of it.
The utensil that goes both ways.
I see you forgot.
Sensitive. Easily influenced, changed, or damaged.
I cut it a little roomy for the free movement. The fabric is comfortable for sensitive skin and can also withstand a temperature of over 1,000 degrees.
Just hear me out. Look, you and I are a team. Nothing is more important than our friendship. I know, kid. He's too sensitive. Come on, pal. If you...
Temperate. Neither very hot nor very cold.
Beautiful beaches, temperate climate, lovely fruit, no extradition.